I'm about to go into the 21st century with the first computer build I've done this century, I think. I helped my son build one, but not, I mean, he did most of it. I just kind of snapped a few things together. But yeah, this is the first computer build I've done since, gosh, college. And college has been a long time away. But anyway, here we got a Ryzen 5 by AMD microprocessor. Got a motherboard. Woo! Got a motherboard by Prime something or other. Power supply by Vega. Got some RAM here. Here's my old hard drive. I think I got an SSD somewhere. Yep, there it is. Got SSD here. And got this doohickey. This is a Wi-Fi card by Ubit. So I'm going to be checking this out. This thing, this motherboard doesn't come with Wi-Fi, but it was 79 bucks, and the Wi-Fi one was 114, but it didn't fit my old case, and I was able to recycle my old case. It's a, I think it's a Dell. Yeah, it's a Dell, and it was still running Windows Vista AMD 64 Athlon. And with Dell, it was a proprietary case, so I actually spent some time. I had to cut this out here, the shield. Yeah, you can see the rough cuts there. But anyway, I will set the camera down and show you a time lapse of the build here. Alright, this doesn't have a video card in it yet. The video card slot is right here. But I've got this old fan from an old PC. This chip, the Ryzen 5, comes with an integrated video card. It's very basic. I'm not a big gamer, so maybe if I ever game, I might get that the video card that goes in there. But for now, I'm good with just the integrated video card. If it doesn't do what I needed to do, I'll have to get a video card. But right now, I think all told, I only spent about 460 bucks on components, and with my recycled case, I was able to save money on that. And so let's keep moving. All right, I got it mostly put together. All I gotta do is start her up. Well, hook it up to the monitor, start it up, and see if anything blows up. So I got my CPU and fan. This is my auxiliary fan. Cable management could be a little bit better, but you know, this wasn't specifically designed for this motherboard. Got my DIMMs down in there. some of the auxiliary cables were too short, so I couldn't get it down in there, but whatever. Let's hook her up and see if she arcs and sparks. Oh, and I hooked up my old hard drive just to get the data out of it. Alright, I got her hooked up. USB or HDMI. Got my jump drive there. Got mouse, keyboard. Got the monitor. Alright, moment of truth here. Oh, might help if I turn the power on. Alright, cross your fingers. Hey, hey! Got my fans. All the fans seem to be going. That's good, that's good, that's good. Ho ho! Look at there! Alright, I did that part right. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Please enter setup to configure your settings. F1 to run setup. Alright. I'm supposed to boot from a USB drive down there. So, let me figure this out and I'll get back to you, but it seems like she's a winner for now. Yeah, baby. Okay, I configured it to boot from the jump drive, and it looks like it's doing something with Windows. See my jump drive right there. Alright, I'll let you see when it gets going. Ooh, it's doing something. Alright, be right back. Alright. Got the Wi-Fi card installed. Got Wi-Fi signal right there. And go to Chrome here. And I've got internet, so I didn't have to do any configuration or anything. That just kind of found everything by itself. So let's see here. I'll go up here. Yep, there we go. Interwebs. Let's play something. Let me see. What's a good video? What's a good video? Here we go. Hey, there's an ad.
And the people who voted for you, and the free system that'll...
Yeah. There we go. And we are watching stuff on the interwebs. Interwebs. Let's see here. Seems to be working all right.
Okay, save.
Alright. Well, looks like a winner, folks. That is my home-built PC with some much-needed upgraded equipment. So, that's all I got. Later.